Sweetsabre7 back, and today I'll be teaching you how to make an origami butterfly. And what you will need is either origami paper, or you can use an A4 paper and convert it into a square paper. So what you want to do is fold from this corner to this corner. If you made it out of A4 paper, you can probably already see it. But if you're not, then I'm just showing you. Then open it and do it the other way. And then you want to flip it over upside down and then fold it horizontally and vertically. So I'll just speed it up. Now you want to see these lines. See, you have to push up and you can see the triangle. So you want to push in the sides so you get like a bow tie, and then you squish the front and back so you get this triangle. And then what you want to do is flip it upside down, and then I don't want you to fold like this. I want you to fold it at an angle a bit. See? And then another angle. So you do it again. And then you see this back part here. So you can decorate the sides because these four are the wings, and then you push this at the back, and then you press like these, and then you fold this down, and well, you got the butterfly. But before that, you leave the video. You have to fold it in half and open it. And like I said, you can decorate the petals. I meant the wings. And you've got your amazing butterfly. I'll see you next time. And please like and subscribe. Bye!